Hey everybody, it's AJ here. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to look good on Roblox for free, and this is the girl edition. So first off, you're going to select all of the woman stuff, that is the woman arms, woman legs, woman torso, and the woman head. After you have done that, you're going to want to go to shirts, and you're going to want to select the blue and black motorcycle shirt. Next, you're going to want to go to pants, and you're going to want to get these beautiful U jeans. Then you're going to go to hair. Now, the hair is really your choice because there isn't really that much hair that looks good on girls for free. So you can basically choose from any of these free hairs here. In my opinion, the black ponytail or straight blonde hair looks the best, but you can choose whatever you like. Next, we're going to go to the face. Now, most people think that you can't really get any accessories or extra accessories to put on your character, but that is actually not true. You get these two glasses right here. You can get the orange shades or the stylish aviators. And in my opinion, the stylish aviators are a lot better, but you don't have to wear them. It's your choice. Now we are going to want to go to the face, or not the face, not the head, and you're going to want to choose a face. You can choose the woman face, the silly fun face, the chill face, the check it face, or the smile face. Now, you can choose whatever you want, but in my opinion, the silly fun is the best one because it looks like something that you would buy from the store. Now you're going to want to find your logo. Now, this is the part where it gets really fun, and it's actually a really interesting part that most people don't know. So first off, you're going to want to go to Google and look up something that you would like to put on your shirt. Like, let's just say Adidas. So search that up and go to images, and you're going to see a bunch of this stuff. So you're going to want to click on this one. And this one is the black one. You can choose from this one, or you can choose from this one. But I think that I'm going to choose from this one. So you're going to want to save the image, and then you're going to want to go back. Now you're going to want to go to develop, and then you're going to want to go to t-shirts. You're going to click choose image, and then you can choose your Adidas logo. Now you're going to name it whatever you want. Cool Adidas. So click upload, and then if it worked, it should have created it successfully. So when you click on it, it's going to say it is item owned. So you're going to go to edit your avatar, and then click on this t-shirt. And as you can see, we now have a super cool Adidas t-shirt for completely free. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!